Myself N.Dilleswararao, 22-163 EC013. Now I'll explain about 4.2 coaxial cable, fiber optic cable, UTP and STP. First we will discuss about twisted pair cable. What is twisted pair cable? Twisted pair cable is nothing but twisting of two wires. We can observe on the screen. Twisted pair cable is of two types. One is UTP and one is STP. UTP is used in telephone communication. Now also we are using this. We are using two conductors in this twisted pair UTP. Earlier the wires are kept in parallel. Due to that it results more noise. To overcome it, now we are using these wires normally twisted to reduce the noise but not completely. To cover these conductors, we are using insulator. Advantages of this UTP. It is flexible, easy to install, it is cheap, and disadvantages. Crosstalk is present. What is crosstalk? The information which is not required to us or relevant to us is known as crosstalk. Shielded twisted pair. In this, only we are using extra thing is shield, except that everything is same as UTP. This metallic shield is we are using on the insulated conductor. Why we have to use on insulator conductors? Because the metallic shield should not disturb the conductors. This is the reason we are using the metallic shield on the insulated conductors. Crosstalk is reduced because we are using the metallic shield. Crosstalk is reduced but not eliminated. To eliminate these crosstalk, in the upcoming cables, we will see. This twisted pair has 5 categories. Category 1 we use for transmit data and voice, but only less amount of data can be transmitted. That's why we do not use this cable for sending data. Category 2, it can transmit voice and data. It can transmit data up to 10 Mbps. Category 3, we use 3 twists and crosstalk is reduced. By using 3 crosstalk is reduced. Category 4, the data rate of category 4 is up to 16 Mbps and the category 5 data rate is up to 100 megabytes. Coaxial cable. Coaxial cable generally we use in television cables. In this we are having a central conductor. Why we are using a central plates in twisted pair and why we are using a central conductor in this? Means we want our information to be traveled continuously. Around the central conductor we are using a insulating sheet. Around insulating sheet again we are using out conductor sheet, and outermost layer we are using plastic cover. By using plastic at outermost layer, the electromagnetic interference will be reduced. Disadvantages with respect to twisted pair cables: it is more expensive and less flexible. Advantages is data rate is high, bandwidth is more, and crosstalk is reduced as compared to the twisted pair cable. And the RJ54 cables we use for generally we use for cable TV, and RJ58 and RJ11 we use for Ethernet. Coming to fiber optic cable. In this fiber optic cable, data voice is travel in the form of light. It consists of core, cladding, and protective cover. We are using a core material. On that core material, we are using a cladding. On that cladding, we are using a protective cover. We can observe on the figure. It works on the principle of total internal reflection. Some of the advantages of the fiber optic cable as compared to the before cables: weightless, cost is also less, and small in size. There is no chance for electric shock, and bandwidth is more.